How do you read?
Sir, read you 3.
Okay. There was a disconnection. I hope you can read me
Yes,
well
sir.
now.
Yeah, read you 5. So
So,
earlier you have told me that the directions on a magnetic charts are two directions.
not magnetic
So
charts. They are navigation points.
the navigation charts. Yeah, navigation charts are two directions. Okay.
So the directions on navigation charts are true directions. Okay. But the reading
Okay.
that we
Yeah.
are getting from compass after correcting for deviation is magnetic. So there is a
Yes.
difference. See on this diagram, here you see there is an angular difference between the green line and the black line.
Yes.
The difference between true north and magnetic north is known as variation.
Yes.
So again, the variation is in plus and minus. Same. So
Okay.
if as per the chart you are required to maintain a 0.45 degree route or a direction 0.45, we will see the angles in a bit. Then you have to first see the compass reading. If the
Compass
compass reading
reading
is
and the
0.4
deviation.
and the deviation, so if the deviation at that point is 3 degrees plus, then it means that either you have to plus 3 degrees or minus 3 degrees depending upon your position. So your magnetic
Okay.
reading could be either 0.48 or
Or
0.42.
0.42.
Yeah. So
And
there
then
is
the variation.
and
After that there will be
and
variation.
then yeah, then you do a variation, further variation. So it cannot be
Okay.
0.42. So this is how you get your actual reading as your direction. So let's just quickly check out the directions. We saw there are 4 directions starting from the north. The north is the beginning of your angular measurement for your directions. But
Okay.
what gave you the directions? The Earth's rotation gave you the directions. The direction of Earth's rotation was east. Opposite to it is west. Above east is north, and below east is south.
South. Yeah.
So traveling from north clockwise, by the time I reach east, I travel an angular distance of 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Yeah.
From east, if I further travel clockwise, I found myself having traveled 90 degrees more
One
to, yeah, 90 plus
180 degrees.
90, 180. From 180 degrees, if I travel more, I reach west, which becomes again addition of 90 degrees. 180
270
plus
degrees.
90, 270. And from west, if I go back to north, again I travel 90 degrees to 270 plus 900 gives me 360.
360 degrees.
So I see that starting from north, when I come back to north, I travel a total of 360 degrees like a circle.
360 degrees. Yeah.
The earth in reality does not look like a circle, but your navigation calculations, you can assume the earth to be a perfect circle.
Yeah.
In the examinations, you'll always assume that on board the aircraft in real life, the navigation computers do the necessary corrections. So you don't need to worry about it. You need to assume that
Yes, sir.
earth is a circle only for your
Circle.
calculations. Only for your
Yeah.
calculations. One thing to note about directions is that the direction should always be mentioned in 3 digits. So even if you have to write 04, even if you have to write 45 degrees, you have to write
045
045.
degrees. Yeah.
So the value for north is 000 or 360 degrees.
360. Yeah.
The value for east is 0900 degrees. The value for south is 180 degrees. And the value for west is 270 degrees.
270 degrees.
These 4 points are known as cardinal points. Very important. Cardinal points.
Okay.
Right in between north and east, we have at an angle of 45 degrees, 045, northeast.
Yes.
So that direction is northeast. In between east and south, 45 degrees, you get southeast,
Southeast.
135 degrees, 90 plus 45.
Yeah.
In between south and west, 45 degrees separating each other, you have southwest.
Southwest.
What is the value of southwest? 180 plus 45,
220. 225.
225 degrees. And 45 in between west and north,
Northwest.
northwest, which is
315.
315 degrees.
Yeah.
So these are your total directions.
Yeah.
There are more divisions of directions where between north and northeast you have north northeast.
Northeast.
Yes.
Okay.
North northeast,
Okay.
northeast east.
East. Yeah.
South east east, south southeast.
Southeast. Yeah.
And similarly it goes. But we have to focus only on the 8 directions, out of which 4 are cardinal points.
Yes.
Now we have different, what do we say? We have different north. We have different directions. We
Yes.
have true direction, magnetic direction, compass direction. It
Yes,
means
sir.
the north is also having different numbers, like different names. There is true north, there is magnetic north, there is compass north.
Compass north. Yeah.
So there is a symbol given to all norths.
Yes.
A pointer with full diamond,
Okay.
a pointer with half diamond, and a pointer with
Okay.
letter Charlie.
Yeah.
This is compass north, this is magnetic north, and this is true north.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes, sir.
what is geographically fixed? Which north is geographically fixed?
True north.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Very nice. So whenever you are solving sums for directions, first thing you will do is,
What is
first
the true north?
you will always make true north, because
Okay.
this will never change its position like this.
Yes.
You keep yourself bottom line at the bottom of this pointer. And now if I say that your aircraft heading is 045,
Yeah.
then you
So
have
I'll
to
go in
ask,
this direction.
first you have to ask whether it
Okay.
is a true heading,
Okay.
compass heading, or magnetic heading.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So if it is
Yeah.
in relation with true north, then it will be true heading.
Okay.
So so we are assuming it is true heading. If we say that it is 45 degrees, so we know where is 45. The best way is to always make cardinal points on a
Yes.
rough page and say, okay, this is 45. It becomes very easy. So from this center, you draw a line, and this line becomes the longitudinal axis of your aircraft,
Yes.
like this. So your aircraft is pointing in this direction. 045 heading. Which heading? True
0 4
heading.
5.
True heading.
Yeah, true heading. Yeah.
So HDG heading 045.
Yes.
How did you calculate 045? Clockwise from true north.
Clockwise from true north. Yeah.
So how do we write it? We write it heading 045 and T, true, like this.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Like this.
Yes. So
Let's make,
what if it was compass north? Like, if the heading was given compass north, so what will do?
so
Or
what,
it's in
give me a
magnetic north.
give me a value of compass north.
045 degrees. Same.
045 compass north.
Yeah.
Then with respect to this aircraft, your compass north and your true north will be identical,
Okay.
because only then you will have 45 degrees right now. So,
Okay.
so let's make compass north in green,
Yeah.
like this. Coincident.
Yeah.
Why? Because your compass heading should also be 45 degrees, like you said, clockwise from
Yes,
compass
sir.
north. You give me any
Okay.
other value for compass north? Compass heading.
Uh, 65 degrees.
Compass heading 65 degrees. Very good.
Yeah.
Now your true heading is 45,
Yeah.
but your compass heading is 65.
Yeah.
65 measured clockwise from compass north. Correct? True north cannot be changed. So what can be changed?
Yeah.
Compass north. You already have 45-degree angle here. All you need is 20 degrees. So
Yes, sir.
45 plus 25.
20.
20. Correction. 20.
Yeah.
Correction. So this becomes your compass north. This angle here is,
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
this is what justifies. So the arrow will be on the other direction, because angles for directions are always measured clockwise.
Yes. Okay.
Now it makes sense. 20 plus 45.
Yes, sir.
This is total
So,
65.
so this is the compass north. The yeah, this will be the compass north,
So we'll
and total
delete
will
the
be 65.
old
Yeah.
compass north. At one point, there only be one compass north.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so in magnetic north.
So magnetic north will be figured out with the deviation value. So now you have your compass
Okay.
heading, you know your compass north, and you have your true heading, but you need to find your magnetic heading. So what is the value of deviation? Tell me.
What, sir? Can you repeat?
So we need the value for deviation from the compass card.
Yes.
We need that value to find magnetic north, or else we'll not get magnetic north. Or what we could do is,
It,
we could get the value of variation. There are two ways to get magnetic value. Either you have deviation or either you have variation. So,
variation. Yeah.
so in order to understand this relationship, why not just have this remembered? Write down C, D, M, V, T. This sequence is very important, and this will make your navigation problems a piece of cake.
Okay.
C stands for compass north.
Okay.
D stands for deviation.
Deviation.
M stands for magnetic north.
Yes.
V stands for variation.
Variation.
And T stands for true north.
True north. Yes.
Now there is a thumb rule, very important. east, least,
Least.
west, best.
Best.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Deviation east. If deviation is east, compass is least. Remember
Least.
this.
Yeah.
If deviation is west, compass is best.
Best. Okay.
Similarly, for variation, if variation is east, magnetic becomes least.
Least. Yeah.
And if variation is west, magnetic becomes best.
Best. Yeah.
This least and best formula will help you decide whether you have to plus the deviation or minus the deviation.
Minus the deviation. Okay.
Sometimes in the paper, they will show you the deviation is +3, but +3 does not always mean that you have to add +3 to your value.
Yeah.
You have to always follow this, whether you are on the east or you are on the west of the normal. The normal becomes your
Normal.
compass north or your magnetic north or your true.
Okay.
So now, to find out a magnetic heading on this example, we already have true heading. So our true heading is 045. So instead
Zero
of
four
true
five.
north, we will change the north to heading. North
Heading.
to
Yeah.
heading and north to heading. So these are
Heading.
all your
Yeah.
headings. Headings, at one point in time, the aircraft will always be headed in the same direction, only one direction. But
Okay.
what are we measuring it with reference to changes the value of the heading. If we are measuring with reference to compass north, then it becomes compass heading. If you're changing
Compass
with
heading.
reference to magnetic north, it becomes magnetic heading. And true north, it
Magnetic heading.
becomes true heading. So the
True
red
heading.
line
Yeah.
shows heading with respect to true north.
Heading.
So my true heading is
Yes.
045. My green line
Yeah.
shows me heading with respect to compass north.
Compass north.
Now, I need either variation or deviation to find magnetic.
Deviation.
One of those two
Yes.
I need, or else I will not get my magnetic heading.
Yeah.
Do you know what is available with the pilot? With the pilot, both things are available. Deviation is available on the chart, correction on the compass card, and variation is always mentioned on the navigation charts.
Okay.
Whenever you are following a route on the chart, they will show you variation, whether it's in the east or it's in the west. So let's assume,
Okay.
so let's just fill in the gaps here. This example, true heading is 045. Compass
Yeah.
heading is 065. Now you give me any one value, either variation or deviation. One has to be given.
Okay. Any value?
So if we say the variation is 9 degrees east,
Okay.
so what does the formula say? Variation east, magnetic least.
Least. Yeah.
Least compared to what? Least compared to the true heading.
Okay.
So will you add 9 degrees to 045 or will you subtract 9 degrees from 045?
We'll subtract.
Will subtract. Very good. It means the magnetic north is 9 degrees east of the true north.
Okay.
That is the meaning of variation. So now you understand variation is the magnetic correction, is the angular difference between the true north and the magnetic north. So let's
Yes.
make the magnetic north. So variation is 9 degrees east. So this 9 degrees east is your variation. It means your magnetic north is here. Now your
Yes.
aircraft heading, actually the aircraft will be in the same position only, right? All you have to do is
Yes,
do
sir.
the angular reading. So this angle becomes your magnetic heading. How much is the value now? Tell me.
Okay. Uh, -9. 45 -9 will do. So it will be 34, 36 degrees.
So magnetic heading is 036 degrees.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Does it follow the rule? Variation is east, magnetic is least compared to heading. Does it follow the thumb rule? Cross check. Is 036 lesser than 045?
Yes, sir, it is.
So your answer is correct.
Okay.
Now you find out deviation. Deviation is the angular difference between the magnetic north and the compass north.
Magnetic north and the compass north. Okay.
This difference,
Yes.
this. Can
Okay.
calculate how much is this?
This will be 36 20 and 36. So, variation will be
Write down the definition. The difference between the compass north and the magnetic north. It's the magnetic north and not magnetic heading.
yes, sir. The difference between compass
North and magnetic north is known as
north
deviation.
and magnetic north is known as
Deviation.
deviation.
So now look at the diagram and tell me how much is the value of deviation.
So, magnetic north will be 36 degrees, and this is
You are missing.
20.
You're missing. 036 is not magnetic north. It is magnetic heading.
Okay.
This is magnetic north. Check it out. This is here. So you have to
Yeah.
find out the
Yeah, this is
angular
magnetic
difference
north.
between compass north and magnetic north.
Okay.
So how much is this? Up to true north, you know that is 20 degrees.
20 degrees. Yeah. And this is
From
9 degrees. So, 29
yeah,
degrees.
29 degrees.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
Now whether is it east or west? Your deviation is east or west? How will you find out?
The deviation 29 degrees. So, it will be east, I guess.
Read the thumb rule. Deviation east, compass least, deviation west, compass best. Is compass value more
Okay. So,
than
it will be
heading
west.
value? Is compass heading value
No.
more than magnetic heading value?
No. Yes,
What is
sir, it is. Oh,
it
no.
is? It is. Compass heading is more than magnetic heading. When
Yes, sir.
when
Compass
is
heading is
compass
more than
best?
magnetic
When
heading.
is
Yes.
compass best? When deviation is west.
West.
And check it
Okay.
out. Compass north is on the west of magnetic north.
Yes.
Left is west, right? Just check it out here. Direction
Yeah.
west.
Yeah. 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 Left is west. Yeah.
Take some time to soak everything in right now. Take some time
Yes,
to
sir.
soak everything. We are done with the instructions. Now we are ready to solve sums. Before we solve sums,
Yes, sir.
ask me any questions for clarification. Tell me if you have understood it, or else we'll go through it again. Our priority is that you understand the concept thoroughly.
So we'll just revise everything once, and then we'll
Before we
go for the
revise,
sums.
I want you to do a mental revision
Yeah.
on your own and ask me questions.
Yeah.
And feel free to keep it as a discussion. You can keep sharing with.
Yes, sir. So yes. Earth shape is oblate spheroid, and then there is true north, and then there is the magnetic north, which keeps changing every time because of the axis.
Earth's rotational axis is tilted.
Yeah, yeah. Earth rotation axis is tilted. That's why the magnetic north always change. And
So we have a
first is
fixed
reading, then
axis.
deviation, then variation. Yes,
So we have a fixed north known as true north, and and then we have true directions measured clockwise from true north.
true direction.
Similarly, we have magnetic
Yes,
directions measured from magnetic north, and we have compass directions
magnetic north,
measured from compass north.
compass
The
north.
difference,
Yeah.
the angular difference between compass north and magnetic north is known as deviation. It could be
Yes.
east of magnetic north or west of magnetic north. Right is east, left is west. You can remember.
Yeah.
Whenever deviation is in the east, the compass reading is lesser or least than magnetic. Whenever deviation is west, the compass heading or compass reading is better or higher than the magnetic
There.
reading.
Yes, sir.
The angular difference between magnetic north and true north is known as variation. Variation can be east of true
Variation.
north or west of true north. Whenever variation is east of true north, the magnetic value is lesser than true north. Whenever variation is west of true
Yes, sir.
north, the magnetic value is better or higher than true north.
Yes, sir.
The thumb rules for directions is that true north is always straight and magnetic north can either be on the right, left, or
Or the left.
co-identical or
Or coordinate.
coaxially placed on the true north itself. There is a
Yes, sir.
sequence CDMVT. Magnetic heading can be found out using compass deviation and compass heading or variation and true heading.
Yes, sir.
Aircraft heading. What is the meaning of aircraft heading? The direction in which
The direction in which
the longitudinal axis of the aircraft is pointed, or the direction
okay
in which the nose of the aircraft points.
points. Yeah.
Nose or the
In
longitudinal
aircraft heading.
axis.
Yes, sir.
So your aircraft has to be marked on the paper along with your knots, compass knot, magnetic knot, true knot.
Magnet or true north. Yeah.
What are the rules of thumb? Rules of thumb: CDMVT, east,
CDMVT.
west, best.
East is west is best. Yeah.
Deviation with compass, variation with
Deviation.
magnetic.
Yeah. Deviation with compass, variation with magnetic. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So a couple of minutes breather, drink some water, get some air, and in 2 minutes I'll see you again and we'll solve sums.
Okay.
It will be an open book when we are solving sums. So do not worry.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to look at it and solve it. Couple of sums, you'll get a hang of it. Afterwards, you can just simply directly solve. Feel free to use your calculator,
Yes, sir.
and all directions will be in 3 digits. So don't say 36, say
Yes, sir.
036.
Yes, sir.
All right, 2 minutes. You can switch off your video if you want. You can take a breather
Yes, sir.
and we'll solve sums.
Yeah.
Okay, Viraj, I'm ready. Whenever you're ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, I want to show you some pictures before we do sums.
Yes.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
What do you see on the screen?
So there are Earth's pole, the true poles that are true north and south north, and sorry, true north and true south, and after that there are the magnetic. There is magnetic north and magnetic south, and so
Do,
what is this? The arrows. Yes, this.
yeah, do you see the arrows they have shown is in an opposite direction?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just keep that in the back of your mind, and just remember that force flows from north to south. Okay,
Okay.
and the
Yeah.
north pole is blue in color and south is red.
Red. Yes.
Yeah. So far you remember just that. Ignore the direction here. Just
Yeah.
remember,
Yeah.
okay, this is like this. So which is the
And also,
yeah. Also,
yeah. Yeah, and also the true north is always the south pole of the compass. Yeah, right, sir. The north of Earth will always be the south of the compass.
so you can say like that that any instrument used any magnetic needle or a freely suspended bar magnet, its south pole will be attracted towards north pole.
North pole. Yeah.
Yeah. See, there are two
Yes, sir.
things. See, I'd like to tell you there are two ways people study this. Okay.
Yeah.
Some people say that a bar magnet's north pole is attracted to Earth's south pole. So Earth's north pole is actually Earth's south pole, but that becomes very complicated to understand.
Complicated. Yes, sir.
We will assume that the bar magnet south pole is actually colored as the north pole because it shows the direction of the
North
north
pole.
pole.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Whenever that confusion happens, keep it simple. बार मैग्नेट का साउथ पोल पे हम लोग नॉर्थ का पेंट कर देते हैं सिंपल बट
Yes,
some
sir.
books you will see that earth here they are showing that the reverse thing in this diagram,
Yes, sir. Yes,
but you
sir.
don't be confused. Just remember,
Yeah.
unlike things, it is like tomato, it is like that.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
So there are not true poles and magnetic poles.
Yes.
Magnetic direction, angular difference from magnetic north, clockwise, always clockwise.
Yes.
I want you to read these lines in bold. What is this line? Variation. Read about variation.
Variation. Yeah. Variation is the angular difference between the directions of true and magnetic north in any point. Okay. True
Carry
and
on.
magnetic point. Okay, okay, yeah. Variation is the angle between true and magnetic north and is measured in degrees east or west from true north.
Now,
Okay.
in the
A
exam, they will
line on the
play,
surface.
stand by. In the exam, they will play.
Yeah.
Variation is the angle between true and magnetic north and is measured in degrees, east or west of
East
dash.
or west.
In the dash, they will place
True.
option A, true north, option B, magnetic north, option C, some other
Yes, sir.
compass north. So you have to remember. It is the
True north.
angle between true
Yeah.
and magnetic
Between
measured east
true
or
and
west of
magnetic.
true.
True. Yeah.
Yes.
Of true north. Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Carry on. The third line.
So we'll measure from true north. Yeah. Okay. We'll measure
Yes.
from true north. A line on the surface of Earth's joining points of equal magnetic variation is called isogonal.
This is a very important point. So there are lines on your Earth's surface. These lines are drawn on the
Okay.
chart. Lines with joint points of equal magnetic variation are called isogonals.
Okay. Line on the surface of Earth joining points of equal magnetic variation is called isogonal. Okay. So can you explain the isogonal once again? I didn't got that. The line.
Right now, I want you to just memorize the definition. I will show you a picture of isogonal, the line which joins points of equal magnetic variation.
Okay.
Now, what happens is,
A line.
uh, okay, this line, you just understand this much right now. Just remember this. In order to show you the difference, we will have to study the structure of the earth, basically great circle and rub line and all, which we'll be doing in another part of the session. That's when we will
Okay.
explain this to you.
Yes.
Okay, that way you will easily understand this. For example, I can show
Yes.
you. You check. Can you see this diagram clearly?
Yes, sir.
See, there is an observer at A. Okay,
Yeah.
an observer at A facing the north. So
Yes,
for
sir.
that observer, this is true pole, true north,
Mm.
and on the right he has magnetic north. So the variation is towards the
Yes.
east,
Toward east. Yeah.
correct? For the observer. That's why
Yes,
this
sir.
variation is known as variation A easterly variation.
Easterly. Yes.
You see, there is a certain angle given to the person.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the angular difference. But if you have another observer at C, although the variation is the same in reality, the angular difference for the observer changes
Yes.
because of its distance. Can you see
Yes,
the
sir.
angle is forming here? The angle is here. So angle has increased.
Yes, sir. Okay. So the angular difference between true north and magnetic north. Okay. Yeah.
So the variation,
Got
the
it.
value of variation for A is different compared to the value of
Yes, sir.
variation for C.
See.
And although the true and magnetic pole are constant with respect to the difference, there is another observer, Bravo, on the other side of the Earth.
Bravo.
If he's facing
Yes,
the
sir.
North Pole, then his magnetic pole is on the left side. That becomes
Will
west.
on the left, west. Yes, sir.
So for him, the value changes for variation.
Yes.
And similarly, one on delta, although his variation is west, again the value changes.
Value changes. Yeah.
So this is
Okay.
so points of
Yeah.
equal
So variation
variation.
will be, yeah, points of equal variation from magnetic north, from true north to magnetic north, always measured in east or west from true
The
north.
observer
Yeah.
from true north, east or west from true north, with respect to the observer.
So, yes, sir.
Now, if you keep a observer at echo,
Yeah.
can you see echo? Then you see
Yes, sir.
that true and magnetic pole are in the same line,
In the same line. Yeah.
co-identical, coaxial. So lines joining
Yes, sir.
zero variation are known as agonic lines,
Okay.
because here the value of variation is zero. Both are similar, identical. So although at one point in time there is a difference between true and magnetic poles, depending upon five different observers, the variation value for all observers is different.
Different.
For the observer
Yes,
at
sir.
echo, it is zero variation. Observer at Bravo, westerly. Observer at Delta, higher than the earlier.
Westerly. Higher than.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, if there are lines joining equal variation, let's see if there is check here.
Yes, sir. The variation is zero. Yeah.
Variation zero, but in between true pole and magnetic pole, the variation is 180 degrees. So if your aircraft is anywhere between true and
Oh,
magnetic pole, then you will have a 180 degree difference between the two.
okay. Yeah.
Measure clockwise in any direction, it is 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.
These are key points. Maximum possible variation is 180
Possible
degrees.
value
Remember this. This is a
180
very
degree.
important point.
Yes, sir. The maximum possible value of variation is 180 degree.
And this occurs at both the north and south poles.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's solve sums.
Yeah.
I'll just show you how isogonals look on chart.
Yeah.
Because the position of magnetic north keeps changing, the isogonals actually show you the variation value on the chart, whether it's east or west,
Yes, sir.
because those lines have constant variation. So whenever the position of magnetic north changes, your value of variation also needs to be changed. That's why you will see that all your navigation charts keep updating on a daily basis.
Yes, sir.
So this is how it looks like.
Okay.
3 degrees east, 6 degrees west. Okay. So they are only focusing on directions. So let's not see, everything is interrelated. Full
Yes, sir.
general nav is comprising of one big principle of Earth's magnetism and these directions of 360 degrees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But we will take one thing at a time, so that we maximize the pair. the- It should be efficient, basically.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Looking for some numericals from the textbook. Would you like to read a couple of lines for deviation also, or should we go ahead with the calculation?
So we'll do deviation also. Some lines I will read for deviation also. Yeah.
Check this. Deviation is defined as the input.
Deviation is defined as the angle measured at point between the direction indicated by a compass needle and the direction of magnetic north. Okay.
Basically, direction indicated by the compass needle. Compass needle we know will always give us direction for compass north. So
For
direction by
compass
the
north,
compass
yes.
needle and the direction of magnetic north, the angle measured.
Magnetic north.
It is termed east or
And so
west
the
according.
deviation will the deviation will always be given in the magnet in the compass itself, right?
Deviation value will be mentioned on the compass card, a separate
Compass card.
card
Okay.
stuck on the
And
cockpit,
the variation
on the
variation
chart,
will be in the
on the chart,
charts.
on the chart.
Okay, on the charts. Yeah.
In real
Yes,
life.
sir. Yeah.
Read this paragraph up to the last point quickly. It is termed east or west according.
It it is termed east or west according to whether it is termed east or west according to whether compass north lies to east or west of the magnetic pole. Deviation can also be
East
quoted
or
as
west of
plus or
magnetic
minus
north.
according
East or west of
to
magnetic
magnetic.
north.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So they can also write east-west deviation as plus or minus. So minus
Yes,
3
sir.
is same as 3 degrees west, plus is east, minus is west. This is just the
Yes.
representation. Just the representation. What people confuse is that if they
Okay.
see the deviation is in west, then they minus the value. That is not the case.
Okay. Yeah.
Remember, write it down. Write it down. Denotion. Deviation denoted in positive is actually representing easterly deviation. And deviation with a negative sign shows westerly deviation.
Easterly, westerly. Yes, sir.
This is very important. Okay, this can cause a lot of confusion.
Yeah.
What will govern whether you do an addition or a subtraction? East is least, west is
East
best.
is least, west is best.
That
Yeah.
will govern whether you'll do a subtraction or a addition.
Addition. Yes, sir.
What is the reason? We
Indeed.
have minus as east and west as plus, whatever minus as west and east
Yes,
as
sir.
plus. What is the reason?
The reason for this is that deviation is seen as a correction to be applied to the compass in order to establish magnetic heading. Yeah.
So it is the correction to the compass because the compass heading or reading is
Compass
affected by the aircraft's own magnetism.
affected by aircraft's own magnetism.
Now
Yeah.
these are trivia questions. These information is what builds up your basics strongly.
Yes, sir.
People happen to forget or not place importance on these points and then they end up making mistakes. So we are not going to do that.
Yeah. When
Last,
deviations are quoted as plus or minus, they apply to the compass heading in order to give magnetic heading. When deviations are quoted as plus or minus, they are
so
applied
they are applied.
to the
How are they
compass heading.
applied?
Yeah.
East, least, west, best.
East, least,
That is
west,
what they are
best.
trying
Yeah.
to say. That is what they are trying to say.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
See, diagram similar to what we made.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
you'll
sir.
have to make such diagrams. See, a full diamond looks like this, true north.
There's
A magnetic
magnetic
diamond, half
north.
diamond could be on either side, and compass diamond,
Yes,
they
sir.
are not showing the compass. So let's start solving. Uh, Stop.
So, for example, if the question is like the true heading is the the true heading is 045 degrees, and the deviation is 09 degree west. So we'll add basically because west is west.
No, deviation cannot be added to true heading.
Okay.
You follow the sequence CDM-VT.
Yeah.
CDM,
Yes, sir.
so compass with magnetic and deviation, or MVT, magnetic with variation and true. C will
Okay.
not
Okay.
never
Okay.
be directly related to true.
Okay. Yeah. CDMVT. Yes.
Okay, right now. I'll also show you the same thing, how you have to write such sums. Always
Yeah.
make this table. Always, whenever you're solving these sums, quickly write CDMVT.
VT.
Oh, let
Yes,
me
sir.
show you the code.
Yeah.
CDMVT. Okay. What is
Yes.
given? Write down. The true direction of aircraft relative to true north is 105. So the true
The
direction of
yeah.
aircraft related to true north. So I will make a sketch.
True north.
True north related to true
Yes.
north 105. So what was
Is
the technique?
105.
I'll make a small plus. I'll see what is my 105. 105 somewhere here, like this. So
Yes, sir.
this line and this is my aircraft. So what is my true
Yes.
direction? 105.
105.
This angle is 105.
105. Yes.
Now what is the second given thing? The direction of aircraft relative to magnetic north is 122.
Relative to magnetic north is 122. Okay.
So what will we do?
So can you repeat what was given?
The direction of the aircraft related to uh,
Related to
related to magnetic north is 122.
okay. So 122.
So where will be your magnetic north? How will you
10.
make 122? How will you make 122? Correction. How will you make 1 to 2?
So we'll calculate the difference.
1 to 2 clockwise from magnetic north. Will you? So see,
Magnetic north. Yes, sir.
be very careful. This direction is
105.
105.
Yeah. 105.
Your
Yes, sir.
aircraft at a time will have the same direction. So whatever addition you have to do,
Yes.
you cannot change the aircraft's direction. So where will the magnetic north go?
Yes, sir.
So
Magnetic north.
this much is 105.
Yes.
Magnetic north
Yes.
is magnetic heading is more than true heading.
True heading. Yes.
So variation west, magnetic west.
Yes, sir.
So you know your variation is going to be west of true north. It means the
West
magnetic
of
north
true
is
north.
going to be west of true north.
West of true north. Yes.
What will be the value?
So can you repeat? I didn't got that. So okay, the magnetic north is 122, so it is greater than the true north. So it will be west is best. So it will be in west.
And by how much? How much should be the angular
By how much?
difference?
Yes. 1 second.
We need to find the
Yeah.
variation. We need to find what?
Yes,
The variation,
sir.
because true heading is given to us and magnetic heading is
The
given to us.
variation will be 017 degrees, 17 degrees.
East or west?
It will be west, I guess.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
So you make this line. You have to draw these diagrams.
Yes, sir.
See how I'm making? You have to make these diagrams. So what is your magnetic heading? 17 plus 105.
17 degrees.
Yeah. So
One.
this is true and
Yeah.
2 is magnetic. And because you had two headings, you were able to find out the third value, which is variation. So variation is
Variation.
17 degrees
Okay.
west.
Okay.
So you have
Yes,
to,
sir.
CDM is one part and MVT is another part. You have to treat them separately. CDM is different, MVT is
Yes, sir.
different.
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do similar sum. So write down in this table. I hope you can see the whiteboard. Variation.
Yes, sir.
So first you had true 105, then you had magnetic 122. Now you have 17 degrees west. Simple.
Yes, sir.
Good. You got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Now the direction of aircraft relative to true north is 105 degrees. Second question. So
Yes.
below this, make another diagram.
Yes, sir.
I want to see,
True
okay?
north will be, yeah,
True heading
105 degrees.
105. Show me what you have made. First,
Yeah.
show me the aircraft.
Yes, sir. This. Yes, I have made the same.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, the direction of aircraft relative to magnetic north is 088. So remember,
Okay.
CDMVT,
It
T is 105, V is to be found out, and M is 088.
Yes, sir.
So now you know your variation is going to be east.
17 east. 17 east. It will be 17 east.
Very good. Can you show me on the diagram?
Yes, sir. So the variation will be somewhere here. This will be 17 degree east, and this will be 0.88 degree. So this.
Perfect. Looks good. Send me a picture on
Yes, sir.
WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah.
remember the direction in which the fore and aft axis of the aircraft is pointing. Fore and aft axis is also known as longitudinal axis.
Yes, sir.
Write it down. The direction in which the fore and aft axis, in bracket, write down longitudinal axis. The direction in which the fore and aft axis of the aircraft is pointing is known as the aircraft's heading.
Yes, sir. So, um, is pointing heading. Mm,
Are you following?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying? Are
I'm
you
following.
having fun? Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I am.
Is it making sense?
Yes, sir. Direction of fore and aft of aircraft.
Fore and aft axis. Come on.
Axis. Yes, sir. The direction of fore and aft axis of aircraft is pointing is known as heading. Yeah.
The direction in which the fore and aft axis of the aircraft is pointing is known as aircraft's heading.
Aircraft heading. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
So I'm going to give you two equations. Quickly, how will you write it? I will give you theory, you will write it in the way CDMVT. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
CDMVT. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first write down number one and then write down number two. In
Yes,
number
sir.
one, the direction of aircraft relative to true north is 100. Where will you write it? 100. The direction of aircraft
Under
relative to
true.
under true. Very good.
Under true.
Very
Yeah.
good. Same question. The direction of aircraft relative to magnetic north is 1 to 5 degrees.
Okay. So I'll write under magnetic. Under
Magnetic
M.
and the M. Very
Yeah.
good. And the direction of the aircraft indicated by the compass is 135 degrees.
So I'll write it under the compass.
135.
135. Yes.
Okay. Write down question number two. Same
Yeah.
situation. We'll solve it afterwards. First, let's write down the question. Question number two. The
Yes, sir.
direction of aircraft relative to magnetic north is 100.
Magnetic. So I'll write it under M.
M. Question number two.
Magnetic
100.
north is one. Yeah.
The direction of aircraft relative to magnetic north. So
Okay.
correction. The first question. The direction of aircraft relative to true north is 100.
Yes, sir.
Second point. The direction of aircraft relative to magnetic north is 1 to 5. Same as above.
Okay. 125. Yeah.
And the direction of the aircraft indicated
One
by the
second.
compass is 115 degrees.
Okay. 1 second. I'll write it once. 125.
Now find out variation in each case and deviation in each case. Draw the diagram,
Okay.
find it out. I'll see the picture of the diagram as well as I will see your answers.
Yes, sir. So here, this is so variation. West is best. So variation. 25 degrees. So in both the variations will be 25 degrees west because
Perfect.
west is west. 25
Perfect.
degrees is
Very
west.
good. Very good. Carry on.
Yeah. And deviation. One second. Hmm. So in deviation also will follow the same procedure. D-
You'll
So in
figure out.
first is the deviation 10 degree west.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah. And in second it will be 10 degree east.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Feeling confident?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now open your E6B.
Yeah. Yes, sir, done. Opened it.
In your
Yeah.
E6B, click on the option of actual plan leg,
Yeah.
and there is an option for compass heading.
Compass heading. Yes.
Try to enter these details for question number 1. True heading is 100.
100.
Va-
And
Variation
variation
is
is
25.
25. Yes. And
West.
deviation is,
Because you have kept it
yeah.
plus, it becomes west.
Yes, sir. What? 135. Yes. Got it. Okay.
So what do you get? True heading and variation is west. So compass will be,
135,
correction,
sir.
magnetic will be west. How 135?
Yes, sir.
We want
Compass
magnet
heading will be 135.
because you added true. Did you add your true deviation? Correction, your deviation in the calculator.
Yes, sir. The deviation will be 10 degree west.
Okay, okay.
The variation will be 25 degrees west, and the true heading will be 100 degrees. So compass
Correct,
heading
correct,
will be 135.
correct.
Yes. Degree.
So you have calculators to give you these values, but I want you to do it without calci also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you don't get magnetic reading, but you need magnetic heading also, right? In this calci, we don't
Yes,
have
sir.
magnetic heading.
Magnetic heading is not there. Yes, sir.
Yes. So you need deviation and variation, and then you directly get true heading.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Plus sign will show you easterly deviation.
Yes, sir.
Remember, plus sign will show you easterly deviation.
Plus sign will
Deviation.
show easterly deviation. Yes, sir.
Representation. Representation.
Yes, sir. Okay. So, sir, deviation is basically the difference in magnetic nor in
Angular
magnetic
difference.
heading and the true heading. Angular difference in the
Deviation.
and
No, no,
variation
no.
will be
You said it incorrectly. What is deviation?
deviation is the deviation is the no variation is difference and deviation will be so deviation will be also the difference, no?
Yes, yes. You're forgetting CDMVT.
Yes.
CDMVT. 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 Deviation is
Okay, okay,
between,
okay. Deviation will be between compass and magnetic, and variation
yes,
is between magnetic and true. Okay, okay,
yes,
yes,
yes, yes. Link everything that we have studied together.
yes, sir.
Isogonals are lines joining equal variation. Agonic lines are lines joining zero variation. Remember?
Zero variations. Yes. Difference between.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we will do Earth's magnetism and aircraft magnetism, and we'll understand what is dip angle, what is vertical magnetism, so that
Yes, sir.
we have good knowledge about magnetism and directions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then I will give you good sums. I will give you sums to solve, and then you solve those sums. I'll not give you any homework
Yes, sir.
today. So today all you have to do is just revise your own notes.
Yes, sir.
Uh, I will be uploading all our recordings for you to access whenever you have to access. So all our video lectures are recorded. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
I
Yeah.
will uh, I will make a playlist for you, and on that playlist you will have all your videos. I'll share link with you once I start uploading your videos. So your demo lecture will
Yes,
also be
sir.
uploaded, and today's lecture will also be uploaded
Yeah.
unedited, the way we are conducting same to same. So whenever you want to visit, you can easily visit YouTube and access it on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no homework for today because it was your first day. I want to see how much you remember tomorrow. Okay,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not going to share any text with you. So whatever notes you have made, you will study as per those notes only. Tomorrow we'll meet at the
Yes, sir.
same time, and
Yeah. And so one thing about the fees, my like my mom was telling, can you make it 50K?
no, 58. I'm giving you 58. I cannot reduce. Will that be okay?
Okay, sir, no problem. Yeah, so that will be okay. But my mom was saying that ask for 50.
Mm, no, I think it won't be. I'll try, but I don't think I can reduce further than that. I can give you 15% off on it, and I can reduce like what couple of thousands more if you want, but not more than that.
So we
50
can make it
is
54, 54, 55 something. 54 will make. Will it be fine?
55. Keep it 55. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. Yes.
Okay.
So I'll deposit the amount in 4 days.
4 days.
What is today's date?
Give me a
Yeah,
date
today's fifth,
and
no?
fifth.
I'll do it on 10th. I'll do it on 10th.
So I'll send you the bank details 9th.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, 55 should be good. Okay. Don't
Yes, sir.
take anything for granted. Be the way you are today. Okay. We are building
Yes, sir. Yes,
basics.
sir.
I want you to master everything. Anytime you feel that अरे मैं कुछ भूल रहा हूँ, please मुझे बताना है.
Yes,
I
sir.
want you to ace your navigation paper, the first attempt which you will be given. 80,
Yes,
85 तो
sir.
आपको आने ही चाहिए minimum.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Good. So I'll see you tomorrow. Just revise once before the class
Yes, sir.
and we continue. We'll learn more about magnetism and you do a self revision once at least before tomorrow's session.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'll do. Yeah.
All right. Any feedback for today?
Thank
Anything
you
we
so
can
much.
do better? Anything that went wrong?
No, 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 sir. Everything is perfect. Right, everything is perfect. As I said before, like these are the things I'm learning. Like actually, I'm learning for the first time. In my last classes, nothing was there this time. So that's why. Yeah.
See, one thing I'll personally share with you. Every student enjoys in the beginning and people are positive
Yes.
and they say, sir, sab acha hai, acha hai," but midway there is a problem that happens midway. And I realized
Yes,
that
sir.
they have forgotten what they have learned in the beginning. And that creates an issue. I don't want that to happen. So you will do daily revisions. Remember that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give yourself some time to study by yourself. It will really help you.
Yes, sir.
All right. So tomorrow, same time, and Tomorrow also you'll learn interesting things. And then we'll do a lot of
Yes.
solution, a lot of solving.
Yeah. Yeah.
Chalo. If you have any questions, drop me a message.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.